Good afternoon, everybody. This is Elliot here at Dash Trucks with another one of our walk around videos. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel to stay up to date on all of our available inventory as we list it. Our phone number and website are going to be down in the description. Today we got a 2016 Ford E-350 Super Duty with the dual rear wheels, rear wheel drive. This is a 16-foot box with a pull-out ramp. It's got a flex fuel engine. Some nice Goodyear tires on the front here. A lot of tread left on those. The box has been repainted with a nice fresh coat of white. Goodyear's on the rear as well. A lot of tread left on those. And the chassis has also been repainted with a chassis saver paint. It is anti-rust, keeping new rust from forming and existing rust from spreading. And the back bumper was also painted with the anti-rust chassis saver paint as well. Go ahead and take a look inside the box here. As you can see, box is in great shape. Floorboards, side walls and boards, all looking good. Got your pull-out ramp, as well as your hitch. Let's go ahead and take a look inside the cab. Now this truck comes equipped with a Triton 5.4 liter flex fuel V8 engine, coupled with a 6-speed shiftable automatic transmission. We've also detailed under the hood here as well, give you a better look at what sort of condition it's in. And there you have it, folks, a 2016 Ford E-350 Super Duty 16-foot box truck with a pull-out ramp. This is dual rear wheel with rear wheel drive, 176-inch wheelbase, a Triton 5.4 liter flex fuel V8 engine, 6-speed shiftable automatic transmission with a middle jump seat, and an overall height clearance of 11 feet. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching.